what's going on in the wonderful world of crackheads this morning. Oh, okay, you're gonna try to pick the whole fridge up. You don't want no help. You don't want somebody to get on the other side. You just gonna, okay. Crackhead strength is, where is you at when I need help moving? Always find you a crackhead to help you move, because they cheap and they do stuff like this. He gonna get on the, he getting on the bike with the whole fridge on him? Crackhead strength is real. He riding the bike with the fridge. You know how hard it is to pump the homie on the handlebars? But not for him. He carried the whole, and it's full of food.